These things are worth their weight.
My name's Eric
They actually
Johnson.
pull the ballast in.
2012 JK Rubicon.
Yeah,
Got
it's a hell of a lot
3.5 inches of lift, 35.
These things, I say,
And wheeling since then.
Awesome. Let's go wheeling.
Oh. Come on. You're all right. Back up, rear line. All right. Back up. Take it, keep on. Keep it faster a little bit. Come on. Keep your momentum up. Keep your momentum up. Cut it hard faster. Nice easy down. Start faster. Cut it hard.
Not too shabby.
Hard faster. All right,
What a shot.
go on. Go for it.
All right. Oh, that manual. So much more difficult with a manual.
Hold driver. Come on. Come on.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's a good thing we finalized it. I want you to come forward as far as you can.
That's what I'm talking about.
Didn't you have that problem?
Yes, no, I got aluminum tie rod. I got the same one he's got there.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
All right, so this just in, he's got an aluminum tie rod sitting here. And our friend Jeff here, last time he wheeled this obstacle, he bent his steel tie rod again. And so rather than replace it again with a steel tie rod, he went with the aluminum, which has 1 ton aluminums, which has the ability, it's got plasticity.
Yeah,
It'll flex and then go right back into its original shape. I think plasticity is the word, but any scientists out there can leave a comment saying I'm wrong. Think we're winching it?
Speed out a little bit.
All right, we've got a winch job going on. See how fast we can get this rigged up. We've got the cable already out, just waiting on a tree saver. Should be a pretty quick job, huh?
Dude, I love this stuff. Oh, I haven't bought one yet, but I'm going to. I think it's the best. Yeah, it's amazing.
Talking about the rope shackle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, tighten her up.
I'm being told to back up because this is a very fast winch. And I'd like to stay in one piece, folks.
Hey guys, let's steel cable so you're within danger zone.
Safety first.
Come on.
There we go.
Turn, hard driver, hard driver. Hard driver. Bring your winch in. All right, come on.
Not bad.
Stop,
There we
stop,
go.
stop.
All right.
Good to go. I didn't want you to run over your winch line.
Easy recovery.
Thank you.
How's that feel? Not too bad. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but this rut right here is really tripping people up lately. And the more it trips people up, the deeper it gets dug. It's kind of a fun thing to watch as the course changes. We got the same problem we just had, where his rear passenger is getting in the rut and causing his frame to set on the edge of that tire. Hey. Yeah. If you bend over, you can see where the frame is just, and that's what happened to the other one.
Back up. All right. Let's go back up. All right, stop. Let me think about this for a second. I did hard driver. Give it a good ball. Come on back. That rough, dude.
Yeah.
Back all the way down. I'm gonna bring you the second one. Go on with it down. Bring it around over here.
All right, we've got this Rubicon hung up here. Unfortunately, we didn't capture what led up to it.
Go backwards.
Well, hopefully we'll capture what helps him get off of it. LOL. Looks like his rear pumpkin is jammed quite heartily on that obstacle tire. And sounds like we're going to be doing a winch job here.
Good, come on. Come a little bit up by the driver. All right, come on. A little bit passenger. All right. Hey, come on. All right, good driver.
No problem.